Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to devlabs.ai. So, guys, in this video, we're going to solve web security scanner quick start. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe the channel for more such contents, guys. So, let's start the lab, guys. So, before starting the lab, so guys, I'm getting views but not a subscribers. So, do subscribe the channel for more such contents based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So, just copy a password and then open your console in incognito mode. So, guys, this step will be guided step by step. So if you miss any of the step, please follow the video instructions that have been given step by step form. So paste it here, the password, and click on next here, and click on I understand here, and then wait for another procedure. Click on agree and continue here, and then open your closure terminal in your lab. So give it permissions. Click on continue and click on authorize. So just come back, guys. So guys, click on task number one, guys. So guys, copy this first command here and just come back here. So wait for a few seconds. Click on copy it here. So paste it here and click on enter here. So just come back here and copy the second command here and just come back here and paste it here and click on enter, and then just come back, copy the third command and then just paste it here and click on enter, and just come back, copy the fourth command and paste it here and click on enter. So now do subscribe the channel, guys. So just click ctr plus o and then click on enter and ctr plus x, and you will be exited. So after that, at the task number 2, copy the first command and then paste it here and click on enter. So after that, copy the second command and then just come back here. So wait for a few seconds. The code will be executed and paste it here and click on enter. So the code start to run here. So now here you can see the web preview. Click on this and click on this preview on port number 8080, and you can see wait for a few seconds, and you can see unable to forward your request to backend. So now just ctr plus c and click on again on this terminal ctr plus c, and it stops to execute here, and then just come back here and just copy the another command to deploy. So paste it here and click on enter and just come back here and wait for a few seconds, guys. The lab will be executed. So we need to click a choice here. So just come back and make sure that which lab zone they have been given here. So make sure that your lab zone must be entered there to a number. So mine is US East 4, and just here US East 4 is as a third place. So click on this number 3 here and click on enter, and then wait for a few seconds. The another step to be verified here. So it's working. So guys, here you need to give your s here, y, and then click on enter and wait for a few minutes, guys. It is going to execute here. So before executing this, please do subscribe the channel, guys, so I could get more motive to create a search solution and find solution based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So just after this procedure, the next task is this: copy this command, guys. uh, Copy this and just come back here. So it is in 40%, 60, 46, 51. So until this executes, we need to wait for this. And if you find this video useful, please comment it is useful or it's working or it is a success. So it will be more motivated to create a such solution. And upcoming video, guys, I am going to ask that if you need any course based on AI, LLM or RAG, or else how to train these models, as well as NLPs using Jarvis Home, etc. So please comment AI, so it will be more motivated to make the videos based on these projects as well as AI projects as well as AI chatbots using Streamlit using AI chatbots. So do comment below that AI, comment below AI to show this support towards AI to learn AI, and I'll be creating a video based on this AI, guys. So it is in the final stage, guys. You can see here. So guys, it has been executed. So copy the paste this another command of task number 4 and click on enter here. So our lab will be successfully executed here, and then click on here check my progress here. So in this lab we have only one check my progress and we got a green tick here. So there is no more check my progress and there is no more steps there. If these steps are there, you can continue. So I am ending this lab here. So before ending this lab, please make sure please like and subscribe this channel for more such content, guys. Thank you. Let's meet on next video, guys. Thank you.